step in. It's open concept. Dining room, living room, kitchen. Beautiful, nice open concept. You can leave your door open, it's pretty safe, have some fresh air in, or you can run the AC unit. There's a AC unit in the living room and in each of the rooms. So you have an idea of the space. It's pretty big. All right, it's pretty big for the kitchen, living, dining room, walkout entrance. First door is your laundry room. You have a washer, no dryer, and bedroom 1, come fully furnished with bed, closet, all right. Separate AC unit for the bedroom, and full bathroom, full stand-up bathroom, toilet, sink, and in the back window you can open it for fresh air, or you can have the AC going. All right, so this is a good size room, pretty big room, self-contained. Second room right next door, same thing, closet, queen size bed, comfortable. You can have this as a beautiful rental property for your staff or for yourself. All right, so 2 full bedroom, about 1,000 square feet per apartment. It's very nice. Comfortable sofa, comes with TV, internet connection all included, electricity included up to 30,000 per month per unit. All right, so if you're interested, the asking price rental per unit on this place is $2,200, all right, USD per month. Not bad at all for a secure gated community, beautiful building, with all amenities ready to go. Just move in ready. All right, now if you haven't seen the last video of the area, swipe down or go to my last video, part 1, Greenacres. All right, this is part 2 because we went into unit 1. Now there's gonna be part 3. I'm gonna take you in one of the upstairs units. All right, be sure to let us know where you're watching from. If you watch till the end, I appreciate you. Leave a comment where you're watching from and subscribe, all right, for more listings. If you live overseas, you want us to rent your property, manage your property, list it on Airbnb and manage it for you, we can do all of that. We have cleaners, we can handle the listing, we can handle all of the logistics. All right, if you're looking to buy, sell, rent real estate, Star Alliance can help you with all of that all across Guyana. And if you're looking to become a real estate agent, we're looking to hire more real estate agents all across the country. All right, so let us know where you're watching from. If you have a listing for us, we'd love to list that property for sale, for rent, or if you have a vacant land and you want to build something, you need somebody to manage the project, we do project management also. So project management, property management, and real estate service, buy, sell, rent real estate. See you in the next one.